Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and Android version so you choose the right method. This matters because bootloader options differ. Once done, connect the phone to a PC with a reliable USB cable and verify ADB is installed on the computer. If the phone shows developer toggles, enable OEM unlock and USB debugging. If it's locked out, prepare for recovery mode or bootloader access. Make sure the battery is above half to avoid interruptions while changing system settings. You now boot the device into recovery or bootloader using the correct hardware key sequence for your model. This lets you bypass the locked UI. Once in, use ADB sideload to push a minimal ADB, enable script, or use fastboot to unlock temporarily if the bootloader permits. This works because these interfaces operate below the OS. If the device is encrypted or uses vendor locks, switch to manufacturer tools or authorized fastboot commands to avoid bricking. Proceed carefully. You finish by rebooting back to the system and immediately opening developer options to toggle USB debugging. This step ensures the system accepts ADB commands. Once enabled, run ADB devices on your PC to confirm a connected authorized device. If you see a prompt, accept it on the phone. If the prompt never appears or the device remains blocked, consider using the OEM flashing tool or reflash signed firmware, and if unsure, stop and seek professional service to avoid data loss or warranty voiding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.